It's basically a little blood. It's called slingshot. No, this one did not escape. So I'm saying this one got shot right here. So basically, even though I've not gone up even though I've not gone up into the bush, still, doing a little hunting down here. All right, look at this. The stone has ripped up right here, man. There's a hole right here. Right there. Look at the stone has ripped up right there. You can actually see inside. Just by doing this, you can see right down in him. Glory, honor, and praises unto the Lord God of Israel. And let the Lord be magnified at all times. Selah, Selah. Malak Tawad. Malak Tawad. Hunting adventures.
Got a U-turn a day in the night, and a you fight on my fight. Hey, me I run just struggles with all of my, with all of my might, with all my
Basically, I clapped one, but I'm not sure where it caught him. Sometimes when the stone doesn't get them at certain places, but it has gotten them. Sometimes it takes a while for the pain to really put them down, or the injury. Basically, I adjusted the slingshot of recent, so I'm saying One is right in front of me, but it's gonna fly. 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 See, hey, these things are nice. Very nice. Hunting is very nice. Those are blackbirds. Notice on blackbird, blackbird in and out my window.
Blackbird, blackbird, in and out my window. Blackbird, blackbird, in and out my window. Jenny and time.
Man, that stone went right beneath the belly. Missing him maybe even brushing against the feathers beneath the belly. Glory, honor, and praises, and to the Lord God of heaven. This has been a soldier and his beloved family. Malak Dawad. My name is Malak Dawad. Stay tuned. Let the Lord be magnified at all times. But as I have said before, we're going in the real bird bush. So I'm saying, real bird bush. Damn it. One was just right over there. It flew. I heard one is right in front of me. Let's see if the camera can pick him up. Do you see him on the ground? Basically, there's someone coming up in a bright shirt. You know, this might cause the bird to fly. Sometimes they go over to the side more from the coming person. Yeah, that's what he's doing. Right, so good. The bird is not flying away so far. That is, it made the takeoff. It made the takeoff 2 times. Did it, but damn, it flew. Where is it going? Where is this? Alright. It has landed. I'm trying to get a good angle. For the moment, the beautiful moment to be captured if I shoot it. Well, it was a far shot, you know. I missed it. Unfortunately, I missed it. I saw another bird. It flew over these trees. I'm wondering if it landed in that tree right there. But this is a big tree. To search it out, it would be. It can take quite some time. Quite some time it can take. I really need to get me in an area or in some areas that are filled with birds all over, man. So I can get in some real actions for you viewers. Sela. And there is another one. I'm looking at another one, but guess what? It's at a very bad angle, man. Very bad angle. And that's the reason why I don't really like to shoot birds in these areas, because you know these areas they limit your shots. It's landed on a house top, something. Damn birds. Maybe they're saying David is around. Let's be wild. Aren't we the wildlife? Let's be wild. Let's stay far from David. Let's stay far from Malak the Wad. Let's stay far from him. And yet again I see another. It's on the field of praise. It's been a while since I've really gotten a close-up shot. I go on. When last I spot a real bird area.
Where's that?
When last I spot out a real bird area.
David, a good question, but good while now, I'm not so good area like that, you know?
Cool, man.
Good while, unless you're going to the hills.
Hills.
You go like, I tell you what they make like. You go like, you know, Black Hill.
Black Hill.
Black Hill and go up on it with by the school up on the flat. On the right and go down around and so when time bird season come and shoot and then wait.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah, man. I have to go like Stone Hill. In the hills then we there.
Yep.
We had on some ball plate.
Anyone at white wing or ball plate. And partridge too.
We had to eat them.
Yeah, man. If me shot them and they're alive still, me raise them. Yeah.
You have done right now?
No. And these birds are really fortunate this morning that went right beside them, and you heard that the ricocheting of the bullet. That stone ricocheted from the wall, man. The impact was great. If that had caught him, would have gone down. Would have gone down. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna wrap up. The area is clean. Glory, glory, honor, and praises to the Lord, unto the Lord God King Almighty. Selah. Adventures coming up though. Fret not, worry not. Adventures coming up.